have a situation here. It's a problem to get this stuff up. The wind is pulling it down. At the same time, these guys are struggling to let it go up. See that? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's been like 12 hours. My phone has been off. But thank God, I finally got my technician to come repair our solar light. You see, that's our solar panels right there. You can see right there. And then we have plantain. You can see our plantain. Our plantain will soon be ready. Look at our pawpaw. Our papaya is right there. Okay, so first thing first. We slept last night without light. Our chicken, they had no light. It was crazy. It was hot at night. The chicks were all dehydrated. We woke up this morning. We had about 3 mortality. I'm sure it's due to dehydration. And then the tank was empty. This is 3,000 liter. It was completely finished, no water. Then I had to ask my workers to go to the next poultry farm that is just around here to go get water. They went there. I mean, it's bushy. There's nobody there. There's no water. I was super tired and disturbed. I had to send them to go to the next junction to go check water. Luckily, they came with 30 liters. We gave the birds. They went the second round. Then the technician came, did a repair. I just immediately pumped 3,000 liters. Whew. Okay, so right now we have 3,000 liters of water, and to solve this problem, we need to get another 3,000 liters so that we have 6,000 liters standby, like every blessed day. Should in case there's any power failure, then before the technician comes, we should be able to have water. The second thing I need to get in the farm, and you watching me right now, if this is your first time, subscribe. If you're a poultry farmer, if you're a livestock farmer, make sure you have a standby generator. Every farmer should have a standby generator. It doesn't mean if you are using solar or whatever means you are using to generate electricity in your farm, you should have a standby generator. Okay? I've learned from my mistake. 3,000 chicken in there, I almost lose everything because they were so dehydrated at night. Luckily this morning, our technician came, did a repair. I'm super happy about that. And so one of my invader got a problem. Oh, that's fine. It's okay. Now, this is the super baby right here. You can see this is a newly constructed poultry shed. It's been roofed with a tarpaulin. And what I did before coming back from China, what I did was I had to visit a couple of farms in China, and what they are doing is what I'm trying to copy. You know, I'm doing my own copy work. As China is doing its copy work, I'm doing mine. So what they are doing is they get this solid paper. I don't know, they call it solid tarpaulin, or is it paper or whatever. It's heat resistant. It's ice resistant, snow resistant. It can stand high temperature, and it can last for more than 5 years. I would say 5 years. I'll use it for 5 years and then I replace it. Okay, so what I do is we get this tarpaulin or paper, whatever, we spread it 60 meters by 13 meter, 13.5 meter. We spread it and then staple all the corners all around. Then get a heat insulator, put on it, staple it, and then get the second paper layer, we place on it, and then we staple the corners. Then finally we get these ropes right here. This is my own job. I have to untie these ropes 20 meters, and I cut so that the workers can get the rope and they tie the entire structure right here. You can see a rope. They still have to come and tension it. You can see this side right there. So what they do is they just spot some few areas and tie. Then later on they'll come back and retie, and then, you know, where there's too much span, they put a rope and then they tie the whole stuff. Come on guys, come on guys, come on guys, come on guys, come on guys. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Just look at this. We are just should I say 60 to 70% done. Okay, but the roof is what I really wanted to see how it will go. And here we are, here we are, here we are. Our roof is done. And now I'm trying to notice something right here, guys. You see, it therefore means that once we stock in this structure, we're going to be having problems right here because of the sun. Can you see that? Can you see this line? We're going to be having plenty of sun in here, and then this section is going to be fine. But there's going to be plenty of sunlight coming in through this direction. So we're going to think of what to do right here. But never mind, we'll solve the problem. Right now, I'm just so excited about our roof. Our roof. You can see the paper. Our heat insulator is in the middle. Right here, I don't feel any heat. It's just so super cool. Okay, so let me go untie the rope so that the workers can come use it. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Let me get your comment at the comment section. What do you think? If you have any suggestion, option, idea, just let me know at the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you on another video. See that? This is beautiful. 60 meters. Had it been we use roofing sheet, should have go do some robbery. But thank God for the Chinese. They had this beautiful idea, and I immediately copied it. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. So, let's say within 5 years, no, 5 years, in 5 years' time, I'm going to come double this paper. I'm not going to remove it. I'm going to double it. Get another paper, double it. Okay? Double it. Stay tuned on the channel. I'm going to show you guys on our next video how the inside structure is going to look like. Okay? Thank you for watching. And I will see you on another beautiful video. God bless you and one love. Ciao. Bye-bye. Our structure was properly constructed. This is our first serious rain that I'm trying to experience. If there's gonna be any fall or something. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. So what needs to be done right now is the gable end right there need to be blocked. You need to block with those transparent roofing sheets. We also have to block the gable end right there so that water does not splash inside the structure. Okay. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Like I told you guys, there's a lot of amazing video coming up for you guys to learn, especially if you're a livestock farmer. Look at this massive structure. What can we do with this stuff? We can either rear our goats, we can rear cattle in here, we can rear broilers, we can also have layers in here, and so on. It's just so amazing. Had it been we were to construct this structure with roofing sheets, man, the price would have been crazy. But just imagine, Just imagine. Everything works. You know? It's just paper. I had to order for these sides to be made. It works. I'm just so excited. Stay tuned on this channel. Subscribe if this is your first time on the channel because a lot is coming. See you. Ciao. Bye-bye.